Hello, my prepper posse. No intro, no outro. I'm just exhausted. But this is the last look at all those little ferals. You may not see them. I'm going to try to get one of these neighbors down here to, take care of them or do something when we leave. Hope everybody's doing okay. Today we spent pretty much till 2 o'clock in the afternoon trying to figure out why the charge controller wasn't giving power to the batteries. So I think my charge controller is spent. That's all I can think of. But just remember, if something's going to happen, it always does at the right time. It's perfect timing, even though you could look at it like, oh, it's 2 days before we leave, we need it. But I'd rather it have happened now than while we're on the road. So I try to look at it in a different light. And while we were troubleshooting, I learned that, and I hope this helps somebody, I don't know, but on the back of the solar panels there's a cap that you can, take off in order to run your ohm meter to test them. But you have to get tarps. You go up on the, wherever your solar panels are, you put tarps over so that they are not getting sun. Then, as you're doing your ohm meters, you're checking all your stuff, you have people that will pull them down. We did this today to make sure that the solar panels were functioning, and they were perfectly fine. And also, the charge controller was telling me that we had 50 volts coming in. And anyway, I'm too tired to go into it, but I'm just letting you know that I learned you have to take away the sun from the solar and then bring it back while you're testing to see that they're, charging, which they were. There's nothing wrong with the solar panels. I'm just thinking that, maybe during these storms we've had, something happened and the charge controller just doesn't want to do what it's supposed to do. So anyway, that's fine. I'll just have to order another one or whatever. It's easier to do that than it is to try to keep figuring it out. I do have a couple of companies I called, but it's the weekend, of course, so we have to wait for that. But whatever, we just keep moving on, just keep going. We've only got one trip left tomorrow. We'll have the truck all day. Well, tomorrow, not all day, but pretty much we have one trip or 2 trips left to storage, and the rest is just to put in the bus. So I'm hoping I have Sunday and Monday to play in the bus until we leave here. Great job on the new generator. I'm so happy, Scalpunk. Thrilled for you. I saw that, I was thrilled. Good job. He's going to do a part 2. I didn't get to see it yet, but, we've been busy. We got the generator up back here. I covered it because we had a little bit of sprinkles today. So, that's up there. So there's my generator hiding. And I had to move my sign up because the exhaust comes down here. And the sign was down here, but I had to bring it up so that the exhaust can come out when I've got it on. And I've still got plenty of room for my propane tanks behind it. Anyway, awesome! I'm beat. So, I'm going to go play for a little bit, and I hope you all do too. Don't forget to play. See you!